Hi, I'm Brad from Charleston Hardware. Today we're going to talk about doors and hardware placement. There's a couple of components that you need to know and measurements you need to know when installing hardware so that it's installed in the proper position. The top panel up here, horizontal piece, is called the top rail. The bottom panel is called the bottom rail. This is called the stile, S-T-I-L-E. When you place hardware, you want to center it as close as you can in the stile. The standard position for this is 34 inches above the floor, the center of the doorknob to the floor. Width of the stile is important because you want to center the hardware in the center of the stile. This one I've measured, it's 4¼ inches wide, which would mean ideal location for the center of the doorknob would be 2⅛ inches. Center of stile to the edge of the door is called backset. There's two standard backsets. One is 2 3/8 and one is 2 3/4. 2 3/4 is mostly for commercial doors. 2 3/8 is more for standard doors. This is 2 3/8 backset. It's a little bit off-centered, but it's the best of the two that we could select. Ideally, this would be centered in the middle of the stile. Door handing. The way I hand a door is I stand inside the room. Whichever side the hardware is on is the handing of the door. This is a left-handed door. If I'm standing inside the room and open the door towards me, it's a left-hand in-swing. If the door opens out, it's a left-hand outswing or reverse. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about doors. Check out our website, charlestonhardware.com.